Many believe Toyota cars are bulletproof, running forever without breaking down. But even the toughest Toyota has limits if you skip basic maintenance. Did you know that a few simple habits, done right, can push your car past 300,000 miles while still running smoothly? Today's video reveals 13 priceless maintenance tips from seasoned Toyota mechanics. These seemingly small tricks are the key to avoiding thousands of dollars in repairs and keeping your car strong and reliable like day one. Like and subscribe if this video helps you. 1. Change engine oil on schedule. To keep your Toyota durable and reach 300,000 miles, the first and most critical step is changing engine oil on time. Many owners forget or delay, thinking a few thousand extra miles won't hurt. But oil is like blood for the engine. It lubricates, cools, cleans, and protects internal metal parts. When oil degrades, loses viscosity, or gets dirty, the engine operates in a high-friction, overheated environment, wearing out parts much faster. Skipping just a few oil changes can lead to stuck piston rings, clogged filters, or even damaged camshafts and bearings, repairs that can cost thousands. The smart move is to follow Toyota's recommendation, typically every 5,000, 7,000 miles for mineral oil, or 10,000, 12,000 miles for high-quality synthetic oil. Always replace the oil filter too, to keep new oil free of old contaminants. This small, low-cost step delivers huge benefits: a smooth engine, better fuel efficiency, and a lifespan extended by hundreds of thousands of miles. A long-lasting Toyota relies on disciplined oil changes, regular, precise, and no compromises. 2. Clean battery terminals. The battery is like the heart powering your Toyota's electrical systems, from starting the engine to headlights, AC, and sophisticated sensors. Yet many overlook a small but vital task: cleaning the battery terminals. Over time, terminals develop a white-green crust from electrochemical corrosion. This buildup blocks current, causing hard starts in the morning, dim lights, glitchy infotainment, or even faulty ECU signals. In rare cases, it can overheat connections, risking a fire. The fix is simple. Regularly inspect and clean the terminals with a wire brush or dedicated cleaner to remove the crust. Then, apply conductive grease or anti-corrosion gel to prevent buildup. This takes just minutes, but delivers clear benefits: easy starts, stable electronics, and a battery life extended by years, saving you significant replacement costs. A Toyota can hit 300,000 miles, not just because of a strong engine, but also through careful attention to small details like battery terminals. Skipping this routine quietly shortens your car's life. Comment number 1 and like this video, and I'll reveal something even more shocking. 3. Replace coolant. Coolant isn't just colored water in the radiator. It's the shield protecting your Toyota's engine from its top enemy, heat. During operation, an internal combustion engine generates thousands of degrees in the combustion chamber. Without proper control, this heat can warp metal parts, crack gaskets, or damage the cylinder head, destroying the engine. Many drivers assume topping off the radiator with plain water is enough, but that's far from the truth. Regular water lacks anti-rust additives, evaporates quickly, and leaves deposits in the cooling system. Toyota's proper coolant contains antifreeze, anti-corrosion agents, and water pump lubricants. Over time, these degrade, reducing the system's ability to regulate heat and protect parts. The result: an engine running hotter than designed, overworked radiator fans, higher fuel consumption, and a significantly shorter lifespan. The solution is clear. Replace coolant on schedule, typically every 40,000, 60,000 miles. Flush out old residue, clean the radiator, and use Toyota spec coolant. This small investment keeps the engine cool, stable, and running for hundreds of thousands of miles. 4. Change transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is often neglected by Toyota owners, yet it's the blood keeping the drivetrain alive. If the engine needs oil to run smoothly, The transmission, especially an automatic, needs high-quality fluid for clutches, gears, and torque converters to work precisely. When fluid degrades, lubrication weakens, causing jerky shifts, sluggish throttle, slipping gears, or even burnt clutches, leading to a full transmission overhaul costing thousands. Many mistakenly believe transmission fluid is lifetime and never needs changing, but heat and stress degrade it, reducing viscosity and collecting metal debris from friction. Dirty fluid stops protecting and starts damaging the transmission's delicate parts. Toyota recommends checking fluid regularly and replacing it every 40,000, 60,000 miles, or sooner for city driving, heavy traffic, or towing. Always use Toyota Spec ATF for stable performance. This small cost avoids massive repair bills and keeps your car shifting smoothly, just like it did from the factory. 5. Change brake fluid. Brake fluid in a Toyota is often overlooked because it doesn't deplete as quickly as gas or engine oil. But don't let its quiet presence fool you. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air, lowering its boiling point and compromising the braking system's reliability. When you slam the brakes on a steep descent or in an emergency, boiling fluid can form air bubbles, making the pedal soft, increasing travel distance, and drastically reducing stopping power. This endangers not just you, but everyone around you. Worse, long-term moisture buildup corrodes metal parts in the brake cylinders and lines, leading to leaks, reduced brake pressure, and eventual system failure. That's why Toyota and experts recommend changing brake fluid every 2 years or 24,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. Replacing brake fluid on schedule is a small investment that brings peace of mind on every drive, ensuring precise, firm braking when you need it most. Remember, brakes aren't just a mechanical component. They're the final shield protecting you and your family's lives. Don't let a seemingly minor detail cause a major accident. 6. Change power steering fluid. Power steering. Fluid quietly keeps your Toyota's steering smooth and effortless. Yet few realize it has a lifespan and degrades over time. When fluid gets old, its lubrication and heat resistance drop sharply, allowing dirt, rust, and moisture to creep in. This forces the power steering pump to work harder, causing noises, leaks, or complete failure. The result? Heavy, imprecise steering that's dangerous when you need quick maneuvers. Dirty fluid also wears out seals and corrodes lines, ballooning repair costs far beyond the price of routine fluid changes. Toyota engineers recommend checking power steering fluid every 24,000, 30,000 miles and replacing it if it's dark, smells burnt, or shows air bubbles. Imagine taking a sharp curve at speed and losing power steering. A few seconds of delay could be catastrophic. Don't underestimate power steering fluid. It's the lifeblood of your steering system, ensuring every turn is smooth and precise. A timely fluid change can save your car and your family's safety. 7. Change differential and transfer case fluid. Differential and transfer case fluids are often ignored because they don't need changing as frequently as engine oil. But these silent warriors keep the drivetrain running smoothly and reliably. In the differential, gears endure massive torque during acceleration, cornering, or climbing hills. If the fluid degrades and loses its lubrication or cooling ability, friction spikes, temperatures soar, and gears can wear, seize, or break. Repairs can easily cost thousands. The transfer case in SUVs or trucks ensures traction for off-roading or heavy loads. Dirty or low fluid can cause gear slipping or binding, robbing power when you need it most. Worse, these failures often strike without warning, leaving you stranded mid-journey. That's why changing differential and transfer case fluid every 24,000, 36,000 miles is critical. It protects components and keeps your car ready for any terrain. Don't wait for whining or grinding noises. By then, the damage is done. A timely fluid change brings peace of mind for thousands of miles. If this info helps, comment number 1 to let me know. 8. Replace engine air filter. The engine air filter may look like a simple dust trap, but it's vital to your engine's performance and longevity. Air entering the combustion chamber must be clean to mix optimally with fuel. A dirty or clogged filter starves the engine of oxygen, forcing the fuel system to compensate with extra gas. The result? Sluggish performance, 10 to 15% worse fuel economy, black exhaust, and shorter lifespans for spark plugs and oxygen sensors. A blocked filter doesn't just waste gas, it forces the engine to choke, raising temperatures, building carbon deposits, and potentially damaging pistons or rings. A clean filter, however, ensures optimal airflow, delivering smooth acceleration, better fuel efficiency, and sustained performance. Many owners overlook this because it seems minor, but cleaning or replacing the air filter every 9,000 to 12,000 miles, depending on road conditions, protects the intake and combustion systems. This small investment yields big rewards: a stronger, longer-lasting car and a lighter fuel bill with fewer surprise repairs. 9. Spark plugs. Spark plugs may be small, but they're often called the spark of life for the engine. A single worn, carbon-fouled, or weak spark plug can cause misfires, engine shaking, hard starts, and higher fuel consumption. Each spark ignites the air-fuel mix precisely to maximize engine power. When plugs degrade, combustion slows, becomes uneven, produces black smoke, increases harmful emissions, and cuts performance significantly. Many drivers overlook spark plug checks, assuming they last forever. In reality, depending on whether they're standard, iridium, or platinum, spark plugs last $12,000 to 60,000 miles. Worn plugs produce weaker sparks, forcing the ECU to inject more fuel to compensate, making the car sluggish and less efficient. Worse, bad plugs can damage ignition coils, catalytic converters, or even pistons. Replacing spark plugs on time is one of the cheapest yet most effective ways to keep your car responsive, fuel efficient, and easy to start in any condition. It's a small investment for big peace of mind. Don't let a part costing a few bucks lead to thousands in cascading repairs. 10. Check and replace the battery. The battery is the electric heart of your car, powering the starter, lights, AC, infotainment, and countless electronic sensors. Yet many drivers only think about it when the car won't start. Batteries don't die suddenly. They show warning signs: dim headlights, slow cranking, odd electronic noises, or a faint burnt smell near the engine bay. Ignoring these can leave you stranded at the worst moment. A battery's average lifespan is 2 to 5 years, depending on usage and climate. Short trips, leaving lights on, or hot, humid weather can shorten it fast. A weak battery not only makes starting hard, but also destabilizes the electrical system, causing the ECU and sensors to malfunction and trigger false errors. The fix is simple. Regularly check battery voltage and clean terminals. If you spot signs of weakness, replace it immediately instead of squeezing out a few more months. A new battery might cost a bit, but it ensures reliability for thousands of miles, avoiding towing fees and unexpected hassles. Investing in a battery at the right time is a smart way to protect your car's safety, comfort, and longevity. 11. Serpentine belt. The serpentine belt is like the conductor in the engine bay, quietly orchestrating the alternator, water pump, AC compressor, and sometimes the power steering pump. This simple rubber belt, if it snaps, triggers a chain reaction. No power, an overheated engine, dead AC, heavy steering, or even a stalled car mid-road. The belt doesn't fail without warning. It shows clear signs: squealing at startup, visible cracks, frayed edges, or hardened rubber. Yet many drivers ignore these, thinking it's still usable. In reality, an aging belt can break during a hard acceleration or hot drive, leading to repair bills in the thousands. Typically, check the serpentine belt every 12,000 miles and replace it every 36,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on the car and conditions. In dusty or hot climates, shorten this interval. A new belt costs little compared to replacing an alternator or overhauling an engine due to penny pinching. 12. Timing belt. If the Serpentine belt is the conductor of the engine, the timing belt is the heart keeping the beat. It connects the crankshaft to the camshaft, ensuring intake and exhaust valves open and close with split-second precision. A slight mistiming can disrupt the air-fuel mix, causing the engine to jerk, lose power, or even suffer severe damage. If the timing belt snaps suddenly, pistons can crash into valves, bending or breaking them, leading to a full engine overhaul costing thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. The tragedy is that many drivers overlook the timing belt because it's hidden inside the engine. They only think of it when disaster strikes. In reality, timing belts have a limited lifespan, typically 36,000 to 60,000 miles or 4 to 5 years, depending on the vehicle. Ignoring this is like driving with a ticking time bomb in the engine bay. Some modern cars use timing chains instead of rubber belts, which are more durable but still prone to stretching, rattling, or mistiming. Regular checks are a must. Warning signs include unusual ticking noises, rough idling, or difficulty starting. 13. Use genuine parts. Many drivers think parts are all the same as long as they fit. But the truth is far different. Genuine parts aren't just about a brand logo. They guarantee quality, durability, and safe performance. A cheap oil filter might not clean properly, letting debris wear down the engine faster. A knockoff brake pad could extend stopping distance by a few feet. And sometimes, those feet are the difference between safety and a crash. Genuine parts are designed to sync perfectly with your car's systems and rigorously tested for thousands of hours to ensure heat resistance, durability, and compatibility. In contrast, fake, counterfeit, or cheap parts often fail technical standards, wear out quickly, and require frequent replacements, costing more in the long run. Beyond that, genuine parts help maintain your car's resale value. Buyers pay more for a vehicle maintained with quality components, not questionable substitutes. Most importantly, they protect you, the driver, and your family riding along. Don't let small parts ruin a machine worth thousands. Make genuine parts a non-negotiable rule in car care. Safety and durability leave no room for compromise. In the end, a durable, safe car doesn't come from luck, but from proper care and smart choices. Every timely oil change, every genuine part installed, and every disciplined driving habit adds years to your engine's life, saves money, and keeps you and your loved ones safe. Don't wait for a breakdown to regret. Start today. A healthy car ensures worry-free journeys tomorrow, and above all, peace of mind every time you take the wheel.